Hey there, kitchen friends. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven. You know those mornings when you're juggling breakfast, meal prep, and cleanup and wish the kitchen could just run itself? Well, today we're diving into 5 clever Amazon gadgets that make that dream feel pretty close to reality. Each one is designed to save you time, cut down on effort, and make cooking feel fun again, not like another chore. And as always, you'll find the latest Amazon links right below in the description if you want to check prices or read more reviews. All right, let's jump right into the magic. Number 5. Rotato Express Electric Peeler. Peeling veggies by hand is fine until you're facing a mountain of potatoes. The Rotato Express does the work for you. Just press a button and watch it glide through potatoes, apples, or cucumbers in seconds. It's clean, quick, and surprisingly satisfying to use. The built-in blade storage keeps replacements handy, and that non-slip base means no runaway peeler accidents. Clean up, just a quick wipe, and you're done. Best for busy home cooks or parents who prep big meals but hate tedious peeling. Downside, it runs on batteries, so keep a spare set handy if you're peeling for the whole family. Number 4. 2-in-1 Can and Bottle Opener. Next up, a simple tool that earns its spot in every kitchen drawer. This 2-in-1 opener glides through cans with a smooth, easy twist, no sharp edges or slipping lids, and doubles as a sturdy bottle opener when it's time to unwind. The oversized knob gives you total control, while the cushioned handles make it easy on your hands. It's one of those small upgrades that quietly makes life better every single day. Best for anyone who wants comfort and safety without losing that classic manual feel. Downside, not electric, so if you prefer one-touch gadgets, this one's old school, in the best way. Number 3. 3-in-1 Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer. Here's a gadget that doesn't just tidy your sink, it transforms it. The 3-in-1 drain strainer acts as a stopper, strainer, and odor shield all at once. Press once to fill your sink for washing, press again to drain while catching every bit of food scrap. Built from 304 stainless steel and brass, it's rust-resistant, sturdy, and fits most US sinks perfectly. No more digging out soggy leftovers or dealing with clogs, just clean water flow and a fresher kitchen. Best for anyone who loves a spotless sink and wants fewer plumbing headaches. Downside, it may sit a little higher than basic strainers, so smaller sinks could lose a touch of depth. Number 2. Zool Citrus Juicer Press. Fresh squeezed juice without the sore wrists? Yes, please. The Zool Citrus Juicer is all about leverage and design. Made of heavy-duty cast iron with a rubberized base, it squeezes every drop from lemons, limes, and oranges, no seeds, no splatter. Everything detaches for easy dishwasher cleaning, and the food-grade materials mean you're getting pure flavor every time. Best for home chefs and cocktail lovers who want quick, natural juice without plugging in a machine. Downside, it's heavy, built like restaurant equipment, so give it a dedicated counter spot. Number 1. Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-Slice Toaster. And the top the list, breakfast perfection in one sleek package. The Mueller Ultra Crisp Toaster delivers evenly toasted bread, bagels, or muffins every time. With 6 browning levels, extra wide slots, and memory recall, it remembers how you like your toast. Cancel, defrost, and reheat buttons make mornings effortless, while the removable crumb tray keeps cleanup painless. It's a simple appliance done right, reliable, quick, and made to last. Best for families who want a toaster that keeps up with different tastes and busy mornings. Downside, the exterior can get warm after back-to-back toasting, so give it a little breathing room on your counter. And there you have it, the top 5 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets making waves this month. From quick peelers to perfect toasters, each one adds just a little more ease and joy to your daily cooking routine. If one of these caught your eye, all the links are right below so you can check the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because here at Consumer Heaven, we are all about smart tools that make cooking simpler, faster, and more fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.